Hello everyone, welcome to the Tree of Scientia. Today we are going to talk about diabetes and some foods that can help balance blood sugar. However, do not forget, even these are well-known foods as healthy and helping to create a steady blood sugar level, the diet should be determined custom for the patient with the supervision of doctors. That being said, let's have a look at diabetes and 7 superfoods to reduce blood sugar. The level of diabetes increased 4 times in the last 40 years in the world. That increase is completely the result of lifestyle, meaning nutritional habits and level of activity. Diabetes is one of the main reasons of cardiovascular diseases, kidney diseases, neuropathy, meaning nerve injury, and blindness. We are going to talk about the foods that cause diabetes and the foods reducing blood sugar healthfully. At first, let's have a look at the foods and factors causing diabetes. Sugar and desserts. Refined carbohydrates, meaning the foods made of white flour like bread, pasta, and the like. Refined white breads, sugared fruit juices, trans fats, adipes, cheese, red meat, refined meats, egg, inaction. As you can see, there are proteins and fats among the foods that cause diabetes. Yes, carbohydrates and sugar increase blood sugar, yet they are not the reason of diabetes by themselves. The reason of insulin resistance and diabetes is cellular lipotoxicity, meaning liposis on the cells. It is necessary to avoid these kinds of foods causing diabetes as much as possible. Now let's focus on the foods reducing blood sugar. The first one is the king of vegetables, broccoli. Even though it has such a low amount of calorie, broccoli contains a rich amount of vitamin, mineral, antioxidant, and especially fiber. The fibers in broccoli prevents sugar and cholesterol absorption in the intestines, so it prevents high blood sugar. The thing that makes broccoli a superfood is the sulforaphane molecule it contains. Besides anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancerogenic features of this molecule, it also prevents producing sugar in the liver. Therefore, it is such an important food in terms of obviating insulin resistance in the liver and the tissues. So it has anti-diabetic features. Try to add broccoli or cauliflower, which is from the same family, to your meals 2 or 3 times a week. The second one is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate, so it has low glycemic index. Yet, it has a rich amount of fibers, especially beta-glucan and antioxidants. Beta-glucan slows down the absorption of the sugar in the intestines by creating a mass. At the same time, it prevents the absorption of cholesterol. It is really beneficial to make oatmeal as a part of your diet at least 2 or 3 times a week. The third one is legume. Foods that belong to legume family such as beans, chickpea, and lentil has low calorie and glycemic index, yet has a rich amount of vitamins, fibers, and antioxidants. The complex carbohydrates are so important in terms of the probiotics in the intestines. The short-chain fatty acids provided by these probiotic bacteria are used both as an energy source and a factor to repress the feeling of hunger in the brain. So it is important to make legume a part of our table at least 3 times a week. The fourth one is linseed. Linseed is literally a super nutrition. Studies show that only 30 grams linseed a day, which corresponds a full tablespoon, reduces blood sugar by 10%. You can consume linseed by adding to yogurt or salads. Fifth one is dried nuts. Nuts, especially walnut, are an amazing food since they contain healthy unsaturated fat, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Even though the mechanism hasn't been figured out yet completely, by moving together, the micronutrients and macronutrients in the nuts make blood sugar balanced. Scientific studies show that 30 to 50 grams nuts a day could reduce fasting blood glucose and hemoglobin A1C value remarkably in diabetic patients. So it is so healthy to consume 50 grams mixed dried nuts a day. The sixth one is cinnamon. Cinnamon is regarded as on the third row among thousands of foods which contains the richest amount of antioxidants. It is scientifically shown that besides numerous benefits cinnamon has for our health, a substance in cinnamon called cinnamaldehyde has a remarkable effect on reducing blood sugar. It is in the insulinotropic category, meaning helpful to balance insulin. Cinnamon also has a feature that delays gastric emptying. That's why it prevents instant increase in blood sugar after eating. It is advised for diabetic patients to add a little cinnamon on a fruit every day. The last one is, of course, the king of beverages, coffee. Besides countless health benefits, coffee is known to protect human body against diabetes. In people with diabetes, 2 cups of coffee a day reduce blood sugar by 10%. So here you are, 7 super nutrients that are helpful to reduce blood sugar. Yet it is so important to know. It is not possible to create a constant low level in blood sugar only by consuming these things. It is necessary to maintain a balanced and healthy diet with the support of your doctor. For those who are not able to consult their doctor frequently, the things that should be done are following. Avoiding the harmful foods we mentioned earlier. Maintain a balanced diet consisting of mostly salad, legume, and vegetable. Make the healthy foods we mentioned a part of your daily diet. Increase your daily activity. Aim at taking 5 to 10,000 steps a day. For years, diabetes was described as a progressive and chronic disease. It is now known that is not true. With a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, diabetic people can maintain a healthy life as well. See you in the next video.